Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add auto subtitles in different languages using CapCut. This is perfect if you want your videos to reach a global audience. Let's get started. First, launch CapCut and open your video project. Then, tap text at the bottom and select auto captions. Choose the original language of your video. Then tap start and CapCut will automatically generate subtitles. Once the subtitles are generated, tap on them. Find and tap the option Translate available in the latest version of the CapCut and select a target language if you want, like for example, Spanish, French, Japanese, or more. CapCut will automatically create translated subtitles for your video. You can also change the font, size, color, and more to match your video style. And when everything looks good, tap export, and then you can now save your video with subtitles in multiple languages. And that's it. You've added auto subtitles and translated them into different languages in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.